off cause the devil don't fight fair. Woman of my dreams turned out to be a
y'all, it's early. I'm headed in. Look at my driver right there by my side. Y'all know he be everywhere I go. Making sure everything go good today with this surgery, y'all. So, say a prayer for me.
Okay, let me get your...
Still here waiting and relaxing until they call me back to go ahead and get things done. So, just wish me luck. Ouch. My voice messed up, but it was easier for me to lay on the sectional. I'm more comfortable here. Got my wheelchair lead, got me all set up. I've been rested. I've been sleep on and off because that medicine just got me so drowsy. But I'm still doing good. The pain done subsided a little bit.